You are at the hospital. Administration is right here.
I'm going
Get
to
in
the
there.
emergency room, sir.
Get in there.
Where-
Get out of my car now.
Where is my
Get out
destination?
of my car now.
I
Sir,
don't know
I'm
where I
asking
am.
you-
I'm asking
of
you where
my
is my
car
destination.
now.
and you
I
kindly
have the
point
right
at where
to
I
tell
am.
you when to
This
get
is
out of
your
my car.
destination.
It's right now.
I don't know where I am.
It's
I'm
over.
asking you
Get
where
out of
is my
car now.
destination. If
It
you will
said
kindly
Get
17
say
out
that
of my
where
car.
I
Pulled
am.
into your destination.
Sir,
It
it
said
said
here
get
I was
out
at your of destination. my It's car over. now. Get out of my car
Why are
now.
you yelling
It
at
said
me?
Get
1760.
out of my
Get
car
out
But
now.
you're not to
Sir,
yell
it
at
said-
me.
Get out of my car
You're not to
now.
yell at me. Why are you yelling at me?
Because you won't fucking get out of my car.
But you're not to
Do it.
yell at me. You
are
are not to
facing
yell at
Get
me.
out right fucking
Do it.
now.
You
Do
are
it.
facing
Get out of my car.
Do it.
I'm facing a fucking moron. Get out. Get out of my car.
Where is my
Get out of
destination?
my car.
You're
Sir,
facing
can
the-
you just
Get
tell me?
out of my
You have no right to scream at
goddamn
me.
car. Fucking talk now. Any goddamn
Sir, can
way
you
I
please
want.
tell me where my destination is?
Yes, I fucking will. And I have the right.
Where
Out of
am
the car.
I? Can you
You're at
please
a
tell me where my
hospital.
destination
Where you need
is?
to be. Get out of my car. You have been extremely rude, extremely condescending this
How
whole
have
time,
I
please.
been extremely
You
rude?
kept me waiting way too long. You showed up and told me you were in a hurry when you showed no actual effort to be in a hurry. Get out of my car now.
I am just
Get
asking
out of
you.
my car now.
I don't know where I am.
Get out of my car now. God damn you to hell.
Sir,
Get out of my car.
I am
Get
asking
out
you.
of my car! It is my fucking goddamn property! Get out! Now! Now!
You are facing
Get
very.
out right fucking now!
You are facing
Get
a very,
out of my car! I'm
very-
facing a fucking moron! Get out! Now!
You're facing.
Now!
You have no right to scream at me.
I will fucking talk to you any goddamn way I want.
Really?
Yes, I fucking will. And I have the right.
You have the right to scream at me.
Get out of my car!
You have the right to scream at me.
I have asked you to leave my car multiple times.
And
Get
I
out of
am
my car.
asking you in a
Get out
very
of my
educated
car!
manner, where am I?
You're at a hospital where
Where-
you need to be. Get out of my car! Can you get her out of my car, please?
I can't put hands on.
Where is the emergency room?
That's on the other side. I'll walk you
On
over.
the other side?
Yeah, I'll walk you over. No,
Get out of my car!
she's